Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily check block call history on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. On settings, scroll down until you find the phone, and then you can scroll down for a bit, and right here you can easily find blocked contacts. You can tap on that to see the list of contacts, including emails and phone numbers that you blocked. And right from here, if you want, you can hit add new to add a new contact right here in that simple way. And also you can hit right there on edit, and simply by hitting at that minus sign and hitting an add unblock, you can remove any contact from that list. Once you finished with that, just don't forget to hit add done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.